G'day guys, what's cracking? 2Aussie here again. So tonight what I'm going to make is a little honey mustard chicken tenders. So it's a little idea I had that you see in the supermarket these days. There's a lot of tenders. There's like just plain tenders. There's sweet chili tenders, buffalo style. But lately I've noticed they're starting to become pretty popular as honey soy. So I thought I'll have a go at it. So what I've done is I've marinated some chicken breast in some honey mustard. It's actually honey soy garlic marinade. Left it for a few hours and I'll see how it goes. So going a bit casual tonight, just got the Trekkie Dax on, the daggy old top, just show you what I'm really like when I'm at home. I'm not always dressed up, so I'll start the video and start cooking and we'll see how this all goes. So this is the marinade that I got the other day from the supermarket. Just thought we'll marinate the chicken. So I've done that. That's been in there for a little while. We're gonna take the marinated chicken, put in the flour, then the egg, and the breadcrumbs, and into the pan. But what I did with the chicken though was even though the chicken breast, I cut them down the middle just to make sure they're not too thick. Otherwise they may not cook in the middle and we definitely don't want that. So I'll get the frying pan heated up and we'll start the cooking. The pan's all ready to go. It's nice and hot. So this really is a bit of an experiment. So we'll see what happens. Just give it a bit of flour first. And I suppose guys, if you're watching the video, you know it worked out, because if it didn't work out, I'm not going to post it. I actually did a little test earlier today with just breadcrumbs without all the egg and flour and everything, and it actually didn't taste too bad, so I'm expecting it'll be pretty good. So guys, I don't know if you watched my last video with the lasagna, but I had a little bit of a stuff up in that one, in case you're wondering why you didn't see me assemble lasagna. Well, that part of the film didn't work out right, so that was a little mistake on my behalf, but it's all practice. I'm only new at this, so it'll get good, it'll get better. So that one looks pretty good over there. That's one done. No, wrong one. Egg next. Anyway, it'll still work. And I'm thinking too, like in the last video, I might just make up a little bit of a salad. I think the chicken and salad would go really nice together. This is a big beauty, this one. Because I'm eating a lot of fattening food at the moment, and I think it's about time maybe I eat something a little bit healthy. Can't keep eating burgers and pizzas and all that sort of thing and expect to survive too long. Anyway, it's looking really good. I've just got that on a bit of a medium heat. It's already hot, but it's down on medium, so I don't want them to cook too quick, because the outside will burn and the inside will be still raw. What I like to do, guys, is I like to use butter when I make crumb things, because I find it gets a nice golden sort of crumb on it rather than oil. I think butter brings out the flavour a bit more. So they're well and truly on the way to cook. They're about halfway done. So what I think I'll do is make a little salad up, just a quick one. Something nice and healthy to go with that chicken, and I'm sure that'll be fantastic. Well, there it is, guys. My version of honey soy tenders, chicken tenders. So made a little salad up, got a bit of tomato, lettuce, sour cream and some shallots which I'm growing in the garden. I'll show you out in the garden one day and show you where I get all my shallots and chives and things from. But anyway, this turned out pretty good. I should have a little dig in, see what it's like. Looks pretty good. Thumbs up for that one. Very nice. So that's turned out pretty good. I quite like that. You could probably do other things like maybe some sweet chili or other marinades. Try that. So just soak them for a few hours in the marinade, crumb them, chuck them in the pan, and there you go. So guys, I'm not going to go through the usual spiel with the like, subscribe crap. I'm getting a bit over that. And what I do is at the end of my videos, I put a little 2Aussie sign on there. You can always click on that and you know what to do. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, hooroo. And remember, you can never be too Aussie. Hooroo.